Have you ever wondered what to do with all those tiny scraps of paper you have left over from other projects? Well, this is a great one. This is going to be woven paper, but you cut out the shape that you want on the card, so it gives this beautiful texture and fun. So this one is a bell, and I made it out of music paper with some gray extra cardstock I had. The one we're going to work on today is going to be a heart, and I'm doing it out of a scrap of vintage dictionary paper and some extra cardstock I had. Now the great thing about this project is you can do any shape that you want. Cookie cutters make it a lot easier. This is actually one I use for baking. But if you don't have a cookie cutter, you can really do any shape you prefer. So the first thing you're going to do is cut out your heart. So go ahead and center it with whatever type of stencil you use. And then go ahead and draw on your heart. And then you're going to take an X-Acto knife. And then I have this special pad here. It's self-healing, so it's perfect for this type of project. And then you're going to go ahead and cut out the heart you just drew on. While I'm doing this, this would be a great time for you to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the great crafts that come out every Sunday on my YouTube channel. And I would love to know in the comments what shape you did. I would love to know, or what color combinations. With the one I'm doing now, it just has two different color combinations of the vintage paper and then the pink cardstock. But you could do 3 if you wanted. Use different cardstocks, different types of paper. And paper doesn't have to just be black and white. Think of children's books. Those are really colorful. Think of maps. Those are really fun. You can always get those at tourist stops. Old wrapping paper. So cut out the heart, and then I'm just going to erase any extra pencil line I have, just so the finished product looks that much nicer. And now for the weaving. So put the card aside. I'm doing my weaving with 1 centimeter strips. You can really do fatter, thinner, whatever you'd like. And I used, to cut these strips like so, I used my cutting board. Paper slicer, that's the word I was looking for. And I made this the same size. So this is just easy weaving over under. There's really not much more to this project. So this is great for greeting cards, but also think of it for your junk journals. You could do it really for anything. So look already how pretty that is. This is going to be really pretty. And then you're going to go opposite. So this one started with under, and this one's going to start with over. Like so. And then just slide it on up. Just make sure that you're not leaving any space. Push it as far up as you can. And look how beautiful this is. You can already tell. Look how pretty that's going to be. With just this simple fun craft. So I'm going to keep going. This would be a great time to listen to an audiobook, TV show, music, whatever you do to relax. Sometimes this has a mind of its own. So I'm going to keep on weaving, and then I will show you at the end how we attach it to the card. So once you have all of this beautiful weaving done, and it's the size that you want, you're going to go ahead and add double-sided tape to all the edges of your card, like so. And then very carefully, make sure you have it exactly lined up where you want it. It's really pretty, and press it down. You could also use glue, totally up to you. And then what you're going to do is you're going to cut off all the extra on the sides. This is the exciting part, when you really get to see all your hard work pay off. And it's nice that you're just making this out of scraps that would normally just go right into the trash can. Because I always wonder what to do with all my extra scraps from projects. So I think this is a great idea. Make sure everything's cut exactly like so. And then here's your heart. Now on this side, I like to leave it like this. I think it's beautiful. I would just cut off this top portion right here. I'd just be really careful and get it. These scissors would be easier. Just go ahead and cut that off, like so. And if you don't like exactly how that edging came right here, which I don't, you could just go ahead and add a pink stripe right here, which is what I think I'm going to do, because I don't really like this little, how that worked out. So I'm just going with it, adding the pink right here. I think that's a nice little finishing touch. And what a beautiful card that would make for someone special. One I made out of the vintage dictionary pages and the old cardstock. And then this one I made out of the gray cardstock with music paper for the bell. I was also thinking it might be cute if you had a little extra tiny little bell. You could put it right here, or a little button. And then you could do a little ribbon up here. Lots of different ideas. But I just love this little greeting card. So happy crafting.